Hi everyone, welcome to my English speaking channel. This is my second vlog. Basically, here I will be telling you something about the kitchen of my house. Basically, this is our small kitchen, and this is my beautiful wife. Meet her. Her name is Sachi, and now she is preparing, chila. Moong ki dal ka chila. She is preparing moong ki dal ka chila. Let me just show you what's there actually in my kitchen. Well, these are the cabinets. These are called the cabinets. It is a modular kitchen, and in the cabinets there are dishes. There are dishes. These are called dishes, and this is a water purifier. And then there is a sink. This is the slab. This is called the slab of the kitchen. Again, there are glasses in the cabinets, and this is crockery. I do not know much about it. मुझे इसके बारे में थोड़ी कम जानकारी है. This is the kitchen portion, and here, let me show you. This is called, the chimney. This is called the chimney. It sucks all the gases and, smoke. ये सारा धुआं और सब कुछ ऊपर की ओर ले जाती है, खींच लेती है. When we cook anything, we turn it on, and it takes away all the smoke. ये सारे धुएं को बाहर निकाल देती है. Now she is baking. She is baking a chila, and she is a very good cook. She is an expert cook. Whatever she prepares is damn delicious. The food prepared by her is always this is singhade ki kachari. We call it singhade ki kachari, and this is the gas stove. This is the gas stove. This is not gas. This is gas stove, and here are the knobs. These are called the knobs. We turn on the gas and we turn off the gas with the help of this. And there are small, shelves. There are small shelves in the corner. You can have a look. We can put small things over here. And that's all about my kitchen. You must be having, of course, a nice kitchen. But, this place is called, the cabinets. These are the cabinets. Cabinets are a very important part of the kitchen. You may be having, of course, cabinets in your own kitchen. Have a look. I have wet hair because I'm just fresh out of shower. This is a small look around of my house. I'm in the courtyard. And this is a small house. This is a small house. So you may be having, of course, kitchen. Now I'm going to prepare tea. I'm going to prepare tea, and I'm going to take out the teapot. We call it teapot. Oh my gosh, it is missing, I think. It is missing. Sachi, where is the teapot? Give me the teapot. I'm going to prepare tea. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare tea. This is a teapot. This is a pot in which we prepare tea. This is a pot in which we prepare tea. This is a small one. We have a bigger one too. Bada wala bhi hai. Right? I'm going to prepare tea. Now I have taken the measuring cup. This is a cup in which we measure the water. Now I'll measure the water, and I'll pour the water from this bottle. And I'm going to prepare tea actually for 2 people. I'm now pouring the water into the pan. Pour the water into the pan, and now I will light the gas. I have lit the gas. मैं गैस जला रहा हूँ. I'm lighting the gas, और मैंने गैस जला दी है. I have lit. Light, lit. Second form or third form. I have lit the gas, and now I'm going to add sugar. I'm going to add a spoonful of sugar. I'm going to add a spoonful of sugar. Because light sugar is always good for health. I'm preparing tea for 2 people, but I'm adding only 1 spoonful of sugar because light sugar is always healthy. And now I'm going to add a spoonful of tea leaves. A spoonful of, I like actually strong tea. I'm going to add a half a spoonful of tea leaves again. And in this jar, actually there are some basil leaves. Basil leaves, tulsi ka patta. It adds a very nice flavor when you actually add it to the solution. Now the water is boiling, and I'm going to cover this jar. I have covered, and now I'm going to add some ginger. I'm cutting a small piece of ginger, and it is tough, it is hard. Well, I have cut a small piece of ginger now, and I'm going to crush it. Well, this is called crushing. I am crushing the ginger, and I have crushed the ginger, and I have now added it to the solution. Now the picture is almost ready. It is winter actually, that's why it is not so hot. The pan is not so hot. This teapot or the pan is not so hot. Now I am going to add some milk. Actually, in this pan there is a lot of cream. Malai ko hum kehte hain cream. There is a lot of cream in this milk, and I'm going to separate the cream. And I'm taking, or you can say measuring, a cup of milk. Now I have poured the milk into the cup, and I'm going to add the milk to the solution. Right, ये जो हमारा पानी उबल रहा था, इसमें मैंने दूध डाल दिया. I have added milk. Now I'll wait for the boil. You have so many things in the kitchen, and sometimes you want to prepare something. Of course, you prepare a recipe and you tell people about the recipe sometime, and after that, so you will learn vocabulary in a very practical way. You will learn English in a very practical. This is of course an English speaking vlog, and here I'll be talking to you in English, and I'll also be teaching you some new words, some new vocab, something new every day. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. We're waiting for the boil. Well, it will take some time to boil actually. It will take some time because it is winters. सर्दियाँ चल रही हैं, winter season. Do you like winter season? I'm wearing a sweatshirt. In summers we wear cotton clothes or light clothes, but this is heavy. ये heavy है, right? Now the tea is almost going to be ready. The tea is boiling. I'm waiting for this. इसका मैं इंतजार कर रहा हूँ कि ये boil हो जाए. Then I will sieve. This is called the sieve. इसको हम छलनी कहते हैं. English में इसे हम sieve कहते हैं. Right? I'm going to sieve is the name of this. इसको हम English में sieve कहते हैं और छानने को भी हम English में sieve कहते हैं. Now you can see the tea is boiling. The tea is ready, but I'll wait for some time. I like a strong tea. I want the ginger's flavor. I want the tea should have ginger's flavor. चाय में अदरक का स्वाद मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. I always like a strong tea. Now it is ready. I am turning off the gas. I have turned off the gas, and now it is completely ready. ये पूरी तरह से तैयार है. This is called the tongs. इसको हम पकड़ कह सकते हैं, tong, right? And I am going to sieve the tea into. I am sieving the tea into the cup. Now the tea is ready, and I'm going to have it. I hope you have liked it, and if you liked it, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. मिलते हैं आपसे फिर एक नए ब्लॉग में. Thank you.